Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. The 2025 Lotus Emira arrives with high-octane energy, injecting new life into the British brand's lineup as it continues its transformation into a modern sports car manufacturer. With the introduction of the new Turbo SE variant, Lotus has not only expanded its Emira range, but also reaffirmed its commitment to blending performance, driver engagement, and everyday USA. Blity.a new turbocharged chapter. The biggest update for 2025 is the debut of the Emira Turbo SE, a high-performance evolution of the existing 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine sourced from Mercedes-A, while the base turbo variant already impressed with 360 horsepower. The Turbo SE raises the stakes with 400 horsepower and 354 pounds-ft of torque, matching the output of the beloved 3.5-liter supercharged V6 model. This bump in power allows the Emira Turbo SE to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.0 seconds, while top speed increases to 180 miles per hour, making it the fastest four-cylinder Lotus to date. The new variant doesn't just offer raw performance, it brings a refined edge to the Emira's road presence with unique styling cues and upgraded features. Model comparison: Turbo, Features: Turbo SE FSV, and NAM. The Emira range now consists of three core options: Emira Turbo, 2.0 LAMG sourced i4, 360 horsepower, 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, 0 to 60 in 4.3s. Emira Turbo SE, 2.0 LAMG i4, 400 horsepower, tuned performance, aggressive styling, 0 to 60 in approximately 4.0s. Emira V6, 3.5 liters, supercharged Toyota V6, 400 horsepower. Available with 6-speed manual or automatic. 0 to 60 in approximately 4.2 south. While the V6 remains the only Emira with a manual gearbox, the Turbo SE offers a more modern take on performance with lightning-quick shifts via its dual-clutch transmission and improved fuel efficiency. Aesthetic upgrades and driving enhancements: the Turbo SE isn't just about more power, it also arrives with visual and mechanical enhancements. Distinctive 20-inch forged wheels, red brake calipers, and an exclusive zinc gray exterior color set it apart. Inside, you'll find Alcantara headliners, sports seats, and premium stitching, emphasizing the SE's sporty yet luxurious personality. All turbo models, including the SE, come with the Lotus Driver's Pack, which adds stiffer suspension settings, high-performance brakes, and launch control for maximum engagement. Yet, despite its sharp dynamics, the Emira SE remains surprisingly livable, making it an everyday sports car that doesn't compromise comfort, platform, and technology. Built on Lotus's proprietary mid-engine elemental architecture, the Emira features hydraulic steering, a rarity in today's market, and a finely tuned dual wishbone suspension setup. The result is a car that feels alive through corners, offering feedback and balance few modern vehicles can match. Technology in the Emira is equally modern, featuring a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 10.3-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a blend of digital sophistication and analog spirit, a rare and welcome combination. Global rollout and future outlook: initially, the Turbo SE is being launched in select international markets, including Asia-Pacific, the Middle East, and Africa, while US availability hasn't been confirmed. Growing interest in performance-oriented four-cylinder models could eventually see it landing stateside. The Emira is also notable as the last internal combustion engine ICE car Lotus will ever produce, as the company moves toward a fully electric future by 2028. The Emira stands as a swan song for traditional Lotus driving purity, one last celebration of analog thrill before the electric age fully arrives. Final verdict: the 2025 Lotus Emira Turbo SE adds meaningful performance and style to an already compelling lineup, with V6 matching power, a lighter footprint, and the refinement of a modern turbocharged drivetrain. It represents the perfect bridge between Lotus's raw past and its electrified future. For enthusiasts who crave sharp handling, exotic looks, and real-world usability, the Emira SE might just be the ultimate expression of what a modern Lotus can be.